Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. People don't like to share real location with friends sometimes. If you just turn on ghost mode, your friends will know it. Today, I am going to show you how to change Snapchat location. Check my Snapchat map, I am at Los Angeles now. I will change my Snapchat location to Dubai without anyone knowing. We recommend Best Location Changer iGPS Go. Freely change GPS location without jailbreak. Compatible with all iOS and Android versions, including iOS 16 and Android 14. Click link in description to download iGPS. Open iGPS Go on PC, connect your phone to PC with USB cable. Search any location you want to teleport. I search Dubai, then click Go button. Check the Snapchat map location now. You already changed location to Dubai now. Pretend to travel to Dubai with your friends now. Subscribe our channel if you love this video. Thank you.